Welcome to Google Chrome. I'm Sandy Smith, Google Accessibility Specialist for the Patents Project of Indiana. Let's explore. Let's look at the options for Read and Write for Google Chrome. Options are found in these three dots. When you click on them, see Options, Help and Support, Send Feedback, and TextHelp.com. We're looking for options. When we push this here, first one we see is speech. This is where you choose who you want speaking to you. There are several different people you can choose. I suggest you play around with them, see who you like. I know Samantha is the one I listen to, and I don't like to listen to any of the others. I've gotten used to her. The speed is another thing you need to play with. The speed can be very slow or very fast. The more you use it, the faster you will be able to auditorily read at. So start out at a level that you feel you are understanding all of the details in, and then move it up from there. And never be afraid to bump it up as you go through it. Continuous read just means that it's not going to stop after every word. It's going to keep reading until you tell it to stop. For translation, I've set this to Spanish. There are other languages, and they add more languages every day. All right. The next thing is prediction. Word prediction, we'll go over this in the word prediction section. Just know that the more results you have, the slower it's going to be. You do want it to follow the cursor while typing. And then you can change your sample text, your text size, so it's as big as you want it to be. Check It is a function that happens in Google Docs and some of the other Google functions where it checks the page. If you have an error that Check It didn't catch, you can tell them about it there. Screen masking, we talk about this when we do the screen masking section, but this is the background color and the reading color that comes standard with it. If you click on this, you get other colors that you can choose. You can find your own color. Change them to whatever your eyes like to see. The background opacity just says how much of the words it's going to cover up. Same thing for the reading light color. If I choose yellow, I'm going to want it to be yellow enough to see, but not so yellow that I cover all the words. And then the height of the reading light, whether I want the reading light, I can set it back to defaults if I'd like. Language. The language is for what language you would like to have it speak. Features are for when you are using a tool, what language you would like that to speak. It's not for translating. So unless I want, when I'm doing word prediction, my words to come up in a different language, I need to have it set for English. The features. Features are Check It, Prediction, Hover Speech, Dictionary, Picture Dictionary, Play, and Pause. You can turn any of these off that you want. You don't have to have them all on. I just have them all on because why not? And then About tells you about what version you have if anyone asks. Also over here in these three dots, Help and Support. This is a great place to search for things and have questions answered. Let's say I want to search for a topic. I don't know. How does, and then you can start to see what things are up here. Okay. The Refine button makes it so that you're only working in Read and Write instead of one of their other products. And then finally, I've got to get it show up down here, up here again. And these three buttons, Help and Support. You can send feedback, or you can go directly to the Text Help page. Text Help is who makes Read and Write. And there are a lot of different things on here talking about Read and Write. There are other videos for how to use Read and Write that aren't by me. is just a good place when you can't find an answer and I haven't given it to you. This is a great place to go.